Now I'll show you the last thing, which called a switch, and that takes a little time to write, so I'll put it on pause. All right. I have made a switch now here, and I'll tell you what a switch is. A switch is like if you have a tree and then the tree splits in several sticks. So it's like that. Like if you want the computer to ask you um, how are you, and then you say good, then it's a little stupid if the computer then says, "Oh, I'm sorry to hear that," if you want the chatbot to be friendly. So you make a switch, which then will answer differently to different um, things that you write. And I have made another question, just something random. What came first, the egg or the chicken? And then I've made a string, and then I've made a switch, and you need the switch to have those two, and then the name of the string, which it takes the input from the user, and then you make cases. You can make as many as you want, I think, and then you write the most important things, the things that the user of the chatbot is most likely to answer, which in this case will be egg or chicken. I just made it fast. And you need to remember that the computer is also sensitive to big and small letters, capital letters and normal letters. So you might want to both make egg with big and a little e, and also with a the in front if the user now writes the egg instead. And yeah, and then you write case, the thing that the user is likely to say, colon, console dot write or write line according to what you want it to, and then you just write whatever you want the computer to write, and then you end it. And then remember to make a break in the end. I'm not sure what it's for, but that's just something that you have to do to make it work. And now, well, a user is able to answer everything between everything, and no one wants to make 1,000 different cases. So you just write the most important, the things that the user is most likely to write, and then all the other stuff. If you want the same response from the chatbot to those things, then you make a default. And now default is a command that says if the user does not write any of the cases, then they'll get this message. Then you make default colon console dot write or write line, and then I've made this a friendly chat box, so it says correct no matter what you say. If you say egg, correct, the egg came first. If you say chicken, correct, the chicken came first. And if you say something else, monkey balls, elephant butt, anything, then it says correct, then a 0 point came first, and then I'll call it an answer. I told you that before. And now let's try it out. There. Hello, what's your name? We've already been there. Philip. Nice to meet you, Philip. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Then I'll try out with writing monkey ball. There. I said there. Like. And then it says correct, the monkey ball came first. You can write whatever you want. And yeah. And you can imagine how much you can make. I was taught all this 2 days ago, and then I made a chatbot which fills pretty much, and it's pretty cool, if I should say it myself. You can make some pretty advanced chatbots in this way. So yeah. Let's see if there's anything I forgot. Yes, there is. I'll tell you about the shelves now. that's not really a command or anything, but yeah, there's some things that are there. These things is what I call shelves. I don't know what they're called, but I call them shelves. And they are like they split it up in directories, like under the namespace directory, the class directory is, and under the class directory, the static void directory is, and then you write all the user commands that you write, and the switch command needs to have a shelf which the cases and default is in to make it work. Alright, that's it. I'm sure you can make some pretty awesome stuff with this. And now I'm open to questions about the chatbot only, not about the program, because all I know how to make is the chatbot. So if there's anything you need to know, like any more in depth with the string command, or if you want to know stuff about the write line, the case, the default, even advice to how to start out with a good chatbot, then just write a comment, and please remember to rate the movie. Thanks for watching.